We used to always go here every Sunday and every Christmas at Misa de Gallo. Yeah, I'm just trying to have a free ride from my beloved sister-in-law because she's very rich now, guys. You know, guys, I'm very happy for her because a few years ago when I'm still working in Thailand, they have already cars because it's their business. But you know, guys, they have like 5 cars, but she don't know how to drive, so we cannot sneak out. We need to wait for my brother so we can go anywhere. Now I'm happy, guys, because look, she know how to drive.
This is the church.
This is the entrance of our church.
Many people
Yeah.
mag-wedding ani from other.
And of course, we always go here. Janela was always here every Christmas with my past life before, you know, but he's gone now. So,
Maglaw-Town Plaza.
but,
That's the kuan.
yeah,
Kasi ganito na dahil.
that's the convent. Tower.
During the
Bell
Spanish-
Tower.
Spanish-
Bell Tower.
Spanish time.
That's the bell tower. Yes, nasi God. Pagliw ka na si God.
During the
Ano po mo, anite? Basketball? Tennis.
mag-tennis.
Yes, ana umi mangwa ana kuante. Anang lato. Ya, lato ba? Ay kanang lukot. Ay sa lato lagi. Say ka na natin ka na bitang ubo na to. Galing-galing.
Then we're going to kuan na Pantalan. Kasi nga na.
We're going to the
Going to-
port.
Port of Panglao.
Small
Going
port.
to the islands. Islands man.
Oh, yeah. Oy, they're having a graduation, oh.
Sa elementary na.
Oh, yeah.
Abi nag imo kung naa na ay imong ipahunong kinsa.
Hindi. Anyway, mo ko ano sa kimi nga nagupos na sa kuya og drive te pambot kuya Diwet, kuya Luloy, kuya Lulong.
We're going to
Bitaw te. I wish unta te bitaw mo balik ko abroad te kay para dili na may mag-away na kay Lulong.
Dara.
Te.
Dara dai. We are going to Panglao, Sige na, Pantalan sa Panglao.
Port.
Panglao Port. Going to Balikasag Island and Virgin Island. Tourist Seaport.
Port.
And
And me and my brother and my sister-in-law, we used to have boats for island tours, for island hopping. But my boat was being damaged and broken because of the typhoon. So my boat became two.
turn around.
Two become one.
Turn around every now and then.
Ala, wala pa ko kasuda na te. Bago na te.
Are you going there?
Wala pa ko kana lagi te. Wala te, I want to go there te. 1 minute te, anila ka te.
Okay. Mag-park na ko.
Yeah, okay, my sister is... Kuyog mo, ayan na mo. Kubanta, tita. I want to see it because I've never been here. Ano mo? Wow. So this is new. It's not really that new, but I am the one who's not been here. Nice one. So guys, so this is really my life since I think since 2008 we have already our business here, or 2006 with my brother. We have a lot of boats before, but now I don't have any more because my boat was broken, damaged by the typhoon. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you. I cannot go there because it's very hot. This all, and this port is on the way to the island hopping there. So yeah, we'll try to go back there and I will show you more. But my sister is always in busy and hurry, so now I need to go back because I can sing just any song. I can dance. I can fly. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes. Uy, always. Napa mo siyan? Te, ewan pa sila kailan haping, te.
Wala yun, bitaw ko nga makailanapin. Ang ginan sila ako gusto mo makailanapin ka.
Napa mo
Undiyan
sa
na
tiyan.
makailanapin. Another budget magtigom ko.
Di, uy.
I will...
Kanarang isabay rag na guess ba ang auntie.
Ayaw ay, dili magsabay, maglain. Ano magsabay-sabay? Dili makan masulo ato ang oras. Wala mi nang natay
Maupod.
kauban.
Bagay. Pero ako'y bala gasolina, mahal naman gasolina ron.
Mag-budget gamangita gali ko paagi makakita kog money.
Sa una kay kaya
Dili
raman.
man ta magditso-ditso magtigom para makaanha.
Ayaw na lang, di na lang lagi ta mo dong panglaw lagi kay mainumdum ko sa akong life before nga it was very easy.
Musag-asa ka nga ba kwan? Musag-asa ka nga lugar kay dili man jud easy dai. Asa lang.
It was easy man jud puti tinuod timuli ko sa una tinam ko half million sa bangko.
Ayaw pag una sa mga lisod.
Di ba sa una ba?
Blessing na una ang blessings nga niabot sa imong life.
Blessing lagi ni sila pero ang problema ba, unsa ako ipakaon?
Naara lagi na yung makaon, yung tubo manggali na sila. Ang uban lagi wa manggaligi kaon. Aw aranda tuaw wala na nubo. Wa pa sila mig panit. Ano ra gud na?
Dapat gali proud mo na ako kay puti kay ako mga anak.
Correct. Da ikaw ito.
Mao bitaw nang
Pagset belt kay saba.
mao bitaw nang grabe si ka ano te kay nang amahan ba te hawod kay amahan te kay mingon si te na mahubog bitaw. Sus, salamat kali ka kay ako amanan eh di pa dili ngayani kago pa. Manghambog pud te oy baka maupod manghambog may ko sa pagtuloy mo na siya isa tumon na kaso og lain pa. Di kay ma-compare siya niya kay ano niya. Ito mo na saki ko. Mayon ko nga puti kay saki sa una uy bata pa na.
Kana sa karon na itong kada ha apil-apil.
Oo, puti magud sa una.
Kato jud apil sa swimming, grabe ka jud ito.
Oh, mo send siya picture no te, isang naon kay Tom.
Buot na jud ko sa kidi jud mahimo. Dili ka maulian sa kibantay jud ka sa.
Ay, isang naon te kay.
Jud ka sa.
Isang naon kay puti dapit sa
Wala
mata.
na na si Saki taga iglugak nga ako maadyo ko kay gusto jud ko nga kanang mapitol bitaw sa day kanang mahadlo ko.
Di okay raman.
Kana jud mga kuan kay ug unsa ang gihatag nga kanang mag-indul minakita ko kay dili pwede jud ang bata og kanang dili mo pangitaon nga inistrikta ba kanang mga kinahanglan jud ka magkinuan ka.
Uy, nga ako pero siyempre lahi magud ang mama te kay
Oo.
maano majud ta sana
Pay.
mo kasabot
Maupay.
sumabitaw.
Ako pa yang
Sumabitaw ato ingon si Ridel ro no gipanumduman ko. Kanumdum jud ko 6 ang edad. Gusto ko pahurot sa luto sa plato. Kasi wala pa sa pare. O ikaw pa to di ba ka makainat to di ba? Dili ko nga bad ko ni Ridel ha. How so inon nga gusto ko nag-uli nimo sa San Miguel tambok na ka.
Parente po.
Di ba te sa una te nag-uli na Ridel te mangunod man pud gamay.
Ay, lami-lama ang kamot.
Mangunod ma. Di ba? Mangunod man
I
si
am
Ridel.
bringing your life, ha?
Mangunod si Ridel sa una no. Di ba? Niwang man ay nagkuha na. Oh, susang, si Zara siya mag-hotdog te. Ang kami kay isda, siya kay hotdog na ho. Ba, no, kay bago ko nga di si healthy, pero mukhaon mo siya daghan sa hotdog.
Ano mga pagkaos, mga bata, mga ganahan.
Pero gulay,
Pero pasalamat.
ang kalabasa,
Asa
dili.
makaagi dong? Nakaw, go. Wala ka.
Kirika, kri-kri. Kri.
Barbecue. Sarap.
Guys, we're on the way to their home now. I'm gonna show you, and this is Boy Arkay home, the mayor.
Army.
Our mayor home, kanite.
Yes.
This is the house.
At homes. Pwede po na siya.
This is the house of our mayor.
hotel now.
Yeah,
All.
Ark Homes. This
Four-star homes,
this is
apartment.
all of these are belong to our mayor.
Pickleball.
Oh, di na. Mo na pickleball na siya pickleball
At
dai.
the back, there's a pickleball court.
Oh, really? Papila ko ng pickleball ba?
Kato din ganina. Ang sama dito pickleball.
Ngano man ang gipikol man?
Ayo lagi day. Nag-drive pa ako nito imo kung hapak-hapakon ba.
What's that?
And now this is our landmark going
Yeah,
to
we are going to.
Spirit of Norway.
And guys, if you happen to visit Bohol, Philippines, don't forget that
Nature tours.
yeah, Nature Tours Bohol belongs to my sister and my brother. You can just DM them, visit the website, the page. Na may website eh. Na, ano sa mga nature tours yapon? You can just,
FB page ang naglilukro.
FB page or their website. You can just type the www.naturetours.bohol.com and you can book for your itinerary every day when you're here. Okay? So, welcome here. And, beautiful house of my
Not yet finished, oy.
brother.
Sama
It's
ka.
still not finished, guys, but the first ground floor is already done. And I will show you what's inside.
Uy!
Okay ra. Okay ra. Nakoy, almost 2,000 na subscribers. Kita. Okay ra, te? Okay ra? I'm gonna show you how they live here. Even though they are not living in my mountain. My mountain has a lot of lands. But I have a lot of lands there, but we have no... Te, we have no vegetables. Dali. O, dali na. Dali. Mag-upload sa kuha natin. Okay na na. That's their house, guys. And that's their business. Hi, Nay. Hello, Nay. Pagilo, Nay. You're in the vlog. This vlog came from Panglao to port. And we didn't stop it until we arrived here because I want to show them your beautiful house.
Very simple lifestyle.
No, very simple but very, and this is their only daughter, Redalme. She's already registered mid-tech. Tama ba, Red? She's already working in the hospital. Wow, the best hospital in Bohol called Ace Hospital. Now she's making a fruit shake for the business because they have a business, guys. This is their business, Herbalife. I'm also a member of Herbalife. But I brought all the 2 boxes of Herbalife I brought to Thailand and I eat it all. Why halin? I didn't sell it. I just consume it myself. So that's why I lost. But my sister she boasted it. And yeah, but you know, I miss this kind of product. Patilawa ko, ani tibe? Te. Tapila man ite, balit ko te. Te. Te, can I be your customer now, please?
Ha?
For myself. How much? Di. How much?
Kasi ka na kaya, sige.
Di, I miss the katong aslom.
Banana ni.
No, katong aslom ba?
Wala
Ito sa nga na to. Ito, kuan, aloe gel. So guys, this is their beautiful, simple house. And you know what's make my daughters love here? Because they have a TV. That's a tatay. That's a father of my sister-in-law. That's Nanay Tonia, the best chef in the world. And she's the one who helped taking care of my son. Since my son was only 7-year-old to Sake 6. 6, no? 6. And right here you can see sa tutay. Look at this, guys. They have the beautiful backyard garden. Prea lagi. Anak mo. Look. Wow, they have the bitter gourd. They have all these they have the pichay. They have the eggplant. So yes, guys. Hala, Nay, daghan na kay inyong pichay, Nay. So that's their life here. Even though their space is very small, they have only small land, but you know their land is very expensive. It costs already millions because they live here. The lands here in Panglao is very expensive, guys. You know. Wow. This is their simple home but full of vegetables. And they have a lot of bonsai plants. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. That's all for now. And I have my new kittens here. Hello. I'm gonna bring you to Lubok, okay? Nana si Mimi. Dahil na. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye, lapit.